Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to recall how to find area and perimeter of the given plane figures with few word problems. Our first problem is a square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? So they are given a square field and a rectangular field. Okay, so they are given another thing is perimeter is same and we want to find which figure has the larger area. Okay, so now let us write what is given first. So the side of a square field is given at 60 meter and length of the rectangular field is given 80 meter. Okay, and it's also given perimeter of square field is equal to perimeter of the rectangle field. Now first we'll see the perimeter of the square field. So we know that perimeter of the square is, we have to add all the sides of the square. Since the length of all the sides of the square is equal, we can take the formula of perimeter of square as 4 into side of the square. Okay, and now we'll go for the rectangle. So the perimeter of rectangle is adding of all the sides. So the length plus width plus length plus width. So we can rearrange the formula for the perimeter of rectangle as 2 into length plus width, or we can call it as breadth. Okay, so now we are going to substitute it. So as per the given, perimeter of square field equal to perimeter of the rectangle. So 4 into side of the square equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is for perimeter of the rectangle. So now we are going to substitute the values. So side of the square we know it's 60 meter. So 4 into 60 meter equal to 2 into length is 80 meter plus breadth it is not given. So we are going to take it as B. Okay. So now we are multiplying this 4 into 60 equal to 240 meter, which is equal to, we are distributing 2 here 80 and B. So 2 into 80 meter is 160 meter plus 2 into B is 2B. The unit will be in meters. So now we are rearranging this. So 2B we are making it to this side of the equation. So left side is rearranged to right side. So 2B meter equal to 240 minus, because 160 we are taking to the next side. So it will become minus 160 meter. So 2B equal to 240 minus 160 is 80. Next step, we are going to divide by 2 on both the sides to find the value of B. So 2B divided by 2 equal to 80 divided by 2. So B will be 40 meter. So now we have found out the breadth in 40 meter. So now we'll find the area of the square, because we want to compare area of which figure is greater. So now we will find the area of the square. So we know that area of the square is side square, that is side length into side length. So from the given we know that side length of the square is 60 meter. So the area of the square will be 60 square, that is 60 into 60. So that will be 3600 meter square. So area of the square field is 3600 meter square. Now we will find the area of the rectangular field. So we know that area of the rectangular field is, the formula is length into breadth. So now from the given we can take the length of the rectangular field as 80 meter and the breadth is not given. So we have found out by using that condition, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So from that we have found the breadth to be 40 meter. So now we are going to substitute those two values in the formula. So area of rectangular field equal to 80 meter length into 40 meter breadth. So 80 into 40 is 3200 meter square. So the area of the rectangular field is 3200 meter square. Now we are going to compare which area is greater. So we found out that area of the square field is 3600 meter square and area of the rectangular field is 3200 meter square. So 3600 meter square is greater than 3200 meter square. So thus the square field has the larger area compared to the rectangular field. Our next word problem is, Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurements as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Now let's see what is given. So there is a square plot, okay, with measurements is given, and she wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. So she has constructed a house in the middle of this square plot, and she has developed a garden around this square plot. Okay, so now we want to find the cost for developing this garden, and it is given for 1 meter square the cost is 55 rupees, right? So now we want to find the area of this garden so that we can find the total cost for developing the garden. So how we will find the area of the garden? First we have to find area of this square plot. Then we want to find the area of this house. Then we want to subtract this area of the square plot minus this area of the house. Then we will get the area of this garden. Okay, that we want to multiply with this given rupees 55. Okay, so now we will see step by step how to do this. First let us write what is given from the question. So side of the square plot is given 25 meters. Since it's a square, all the sides will be equal, 25 meter. And then house, it's a rectangle, right? So length is given with this given. So length of the house is 20 meter and breadth or width of the house is 50 meter. So then what is given? Cost of developing the garden is rupees 55 per meter square. That is for 1 meter square it is 55 rupees. Okay, so now we will find the area of the square plot, then we will find area of the house, then we will subtract. First we will find the area of the square plot. So we know that area of the square is side square, that is side length into side length. So the side length given is 25 meter. So 25 meter square. So area of the square plot will be 25 into 25, that is 625 meter square. Now we will find the area of the house. So a house is rectangle in shape. So area of the house, that is rectangle, is length into breadth. 20 meters length into 15 meters breadth. So 20 meter into 15 meter will be 300 meter square. Now we want to find the area of the garden, that is area in this shaded part. So that is square plot minus area of the house. Area of a garden is area of square plot minus area of the house. So 625 meter square minus 300 meter square. So you will get 325 meter square. So area of the garden is 325 meter square. So for cost of developing a garden for 1 meter square it is rupees 55. Then cost of developing a garden for 325 meter square is rupees 55 into 325. So our answer will be rupees 17,875. So the cost of developing, that is the total cost of developing a garden around the house, is rupees 17,875. Hope you have understood how to find the perimeter and area, and also how to apply those things for based on the given question. Thank you for watching the video.